Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and these are the Disile socks, pack of 5. I use them every day because I work out all the time. I play basketball a few times a week. The first thing I like about them, the material is breathable, but it's also thick enough that is very comfortable. I really like that they're very well padded, especially in the toe area, in the heel, and in the ankle area. You will notice that it has a nice padding. So with these socks, I actually feel that little bit of extra padding. It feels nice and snug around the ankle area. The colors are very cool, they're fun, they're bright, and even after putting them in the washer, they don't fade away. So if you're looking for excellent quality socks for when you're working out, for when you're playing basketball, check this ones out, and that is my point of view.